Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Hive lights, providing a clear, step-by-step guide. First, gather your essentials: a Hive hub, your smart light bulbs, a smartphone or tablet, and a stable internet connection. Make sure the Hive app is downloaded and your account is ready. You'll also need a spare Ethernet port on your broadband router and a power socket close by for the hub. Having everything prepared ensures a smooth and quick setup process for your new smart lighting system. Next, let's get your Hive hub connected. First, plug the Ethernet cable from the hub into a spare port on your broadband router. Then, connect the hub to a mains power socket. Now, open your Hive app, log in, and choose to install a new device. You'll need to enter the hub ID, usually located on the bottom of the unit. The hub's lights will flash green, then yellow, indicating it's connecting and updating. This can take up to 15 minutes. Do not unplug it during this time. Now for the lights themselves. Begin by turning off the wall switch for the light fixture. Carefully screw your Hive smart bulb into place, just as you would any standard bulb. Once fitted, switch the light back on at the wall. The bulb should flash on and off twice, indicating it's in pairing mode and searching for your hub. In the Hive app, select Install Devices and follow the prompts. If you're reusing a bulb, you might need to reset it by cycling the power 8 times until it double flashes. With your lights paired, you can now enjoy smart control. Your new Hive light will appear in the app. Remember to give it a clear name. From the app, you can effortlessly switch lights on or off, dim them to your desired level, and even change their color or warmth. Set up schedules to automate your lighting or connect to voice assistants for convenient hands-free operation. Just remember, to maintain remote control, always leave the physical wall switch in the on position. Enjoy your smart home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.